Good morning, traders. Christian Kerr, Senior Market Strategist at DailyFX.com, and this is my idea of the day for July 3rd, 2014. So today we're going to be looking at the Australian dollar. Last night, if I zoom in here, we can see we had a pretty nice little sell-off overnight, sparked by comments from the governor of the RBA, the Central Bank of Australia. Where he questioned the high levels of the Australian dollar, and that obviously spooked the market a little bit. We've come under pressure. More important to me, though, is where the market has turned. This is my favorite retracement level, but the 76.4 did seem to be pretty good resistance. So as you see, we peaked out. We made a multi-month high on Tuesday, and that was right at that 76.4 or 76.4% retracement of this October to January decline. Other thing you'll notice too is that where we stopped, so we've come under pressure these past 2 days, and where we stopped was the 61.8% retracement of that same decline, which brings a very good point that a lot of which is, I think it's important in technical analysis, is that resistance can turn into support, and support can then turn into resistance. So we're getting actually support from this former resistance level at 61.8. I think this is going to be kind of a really important level over the next few days. And if we do get through that, then I think it probably confirms that we do get some sort of bigger high in the Aussie. We're probably going down for at least a few more days, perhaps before maybe looking to turn back up again. I kind of think the big thing we need to keep an eye out here, and I'll try to zoom in on it, is if we look at some of the bigger reversals of late. So if we look at here, when we turned in October, volume started to rise in the aftermath, which suggested that we were getting a more important move lower. As of yet, volume's actually been going down, and we see we had this big spike bar on the multi-month highs, and now it's actually come off as we've traded lower. So that's something I'll keep an eye on. If we start to sell off and volume starts to spike with it, that would be a very negative signal, and it potentially suggests that the Aussie is starting to turn more aggressively lower, and a bigger turn is in place. For the moment, I'm leaning towards just a minor correction, maybe of a week or two before turning up. But watch that 61.8% retracement level at 93.55. If we get through there, that'll sort of turn things negative. Of course, if we can get back through 95 here relatively quickly, that would reinstill momentum and turn focus higher towards a test of October high. Anyway, good luck, profitable trading, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Christian Kerr signing off.